Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Chip in Bowling Green, Kentucky. On this Galaxy DX98 VHP. New out of the box, we went through, truckerized it, done a few other little things, set it up just the way he wanted it. I'll turn my RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. It's a half a watt. Dead key on the low. $50 watts on high. We're going to put the multiplier in 2x position. So now we're reading the bottom scale is a 200 watt scale. That 100 is now 200. Hello, audio. Against the wall. Let's go to the 5x scale. Now we're reading the 20 there is 200 right here. The middle of the waves would be 250. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. 250 watts peak. Chip, it's all done, buddy, and it's coming your way tomorrow. Thank you, my friend. TruckCBSales@gmail.com. Bump, bump.